WDSU first warning weather. We're keeping our own fog forecast, which seems pretty typical in the winter season, but we also have to look at some rain. And WDSU first warning weather Doppler radar shows that we got a couple of showers. There was one lone thunderstorm that popped up today and said this was going to be possible. We're actually seeing more rain too, but well west of our technical WDSU first warning weather viewing area. But some areas closer to Franklin, Baton Rouge, we've got some showers and possible storms your way. Let's check out where we do have some rain that's coming down. This is going to be St. Tammany to Hancock, Pearl River counties, and we're looking for light rain, drizzle maybe at most, and maybe a brief shower that you could call it here. We also look at a little batch of some light rain in the western part of the city that's moving from south, southwest, north, northeast. You can get a little rain here. You get to Avondale, West Wego, maybe Metairie here, Harahan, and get to Kenner at the airport. A couple of light showers moving through. We did record at least 1/100 of an inch of rain at the airport a little bit earlier. Let's jump right into the forecast. It is fog. If you hadn't heard about it, yep, it was here this morning and will be here the next couple of mornings. 60s officially at Lakefront and at the airport. We got 70s everywhere else except Grand Isle. You're standing at 69 here too. Those dew points just sitting right behind the actual air temperatures. Of course, air temp dew point meet up, start to form a cloud. When you got light winds, we put it on the ground. That's our fog. We've got those winds generally kind of east direction here around 5 miles per hour. Homa says 12 with a wind speed averaged over a couple of minutes. What are we doing for visibility right now? Not too bad. Belle Chase, Homa looks to be it's reduced a bit, but still not too terrible. Once that sun sets, we get the breeze to start to relax even further. That's where the fog really starts to set in. Kind of have a weak front there north, and it's a weak system that stays way north. There's the fog in the morning hours, but we're still mild. I do think we get a lot more sunshine after the morning fog and clouds go away Tuesday. Wednesday the same, but by Wednesday night, we're going to find this front to come through, and that's going to shut off the fog forecast and shut down all the rain. It's going to drop in some cooler air too. 50s to 60s tomorrow morning. A little cool to the North Shore, but here's the visibility forecast, and we are looking region-wide. That's dense fog. If you get below a mile visibility, half mile, that gets pretty thick. If you drop below a quarter mile visibility, 0.25, then you got really dense fog in place. So morning drive, I've got caution flags on for you, yellow flags if you will. 61 to 62 here in town, but I do have that fog forecast, so allow that extra time. Your worst offenders too, it's going to be the Causeway, it's going to be the Twin Span. Wanted to show that forecast at the beginning, that's a definite fog signal too. We'll see it again Wednesday morning. Temperatures with the sunshine that pops out, you see what the fog forecast, the cloud cast, we pop out a decent amount of sun and we're pretty warm. Going to Wednesday morning, there it is again. We have even more widespread dense fog. This looks to me to be the worst. That right here where you start to see these little bits and batches of what looks to be light rain, that is a definitive fog signal from our high-res forecast. Now we will find some sun. That's the actual cold front coming through. Highs still go to the 70s before the front's through, but once it's there, we will drop in cooler air to round out the week Thursday, Friday, but another round of cold drops into the weekend Saturday and the Sunday. This doesn't look to be a freeze at all for the South Shore. There were some indications, some words going around, maybe that'd be the case. We'll find lows that'll get us down to around 40s, the coldest I got. Looking ahead to Christmas Eve to Christmas Day, forecasts are split on this. This is the forecast I'm showing that has some rain into the mix for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. Right now, I'd rather have you prepared that there's a chance for showers, maybe a storm. Temperature 68 to 70. But the other forecasts are much drier, similar temps. So that's the way I shape it up now. WDSU first warning weather 7-day, fog the next 2 mornings, impact days, should stress that, weather impact days, and then the cooler air to finish the week.